Hey, so I am currently post-op day like 4 or 5, depending on how you count the days. If you count like the first day. Um, but yeah, overall, I'm feeling super great. I pretty much am off of the hard pain meds at this point, which is great. Not a huge fan of those. And in general, I think I've definitely exceeded my expectations as far as where I thought I would be at this point. I thought the first week I'd mostly be pretty like stuck in bed, just like watching TV. And even the first day of the procedure, like I was up and walking around and like not doing a whole lot, obviously. Been walking around the hotel and like talking to people. I was very lucid, like texting and doing fine with all of that. So yeah, I've also, it was kind of weird. Most of the pain that I experienced wasn't like in my chest. Like I was expecting to have pain like down where the incisions are around here. I really haven't felt it much around there. It's been like in my armpits. Pain and like nerves are super weird. I do have like limited mobility for sure, so you can kind of tell like I'm not moving my shoulders a whole lot. So kind of like they call it like T-Rex arms is about where I'm at right now. This is like my range. I can like lift a little bit, like right about here. It starts feeling like maybe like you should not. So I'll give myself this much leeway about with my shoulders. But for the most part, like I'm just kind of sticking to like a T-Rex. It's fun. If you're wondering what it looks like for a T-Rex to play guitar, here you go. White lips, pale face, breathing in snowflakes, burnt lungs, sour taste. Lights gone, days end, struggling to pay rent, long nights, strange men. Woo! As with everything else too, mobility being limited, it's been really great having my mom here to help out. So we made a little like beauty routine video to show you a typical morning in the life of getting ready. So I'm going to introduce the beautification routine of somebody on a typical first week out of top surgery. I'm here with my assistant, Kristen, who's also my mom. So we're going to start here with the Huggies brand Simply Clean, fragrance-free, hands, face, and bottoms triple clean wipes. You may find it difficult with the arm range of a small baby T-Rex to reach the top of your head and other places, so you may need help from your assistant to really wash that hair well. Our next product of choice here is Old Spice Fresh Scent High Endurance Antiperspirant. As I said before, you may find it helpful to have your assistant helping out in this venture because deodorant application is not the easiest thing. And our last product here is the Clearasil Daily Ultra Skin Wipes Oil-Free Pads. I find it helpful when applying these to use a circular exfoliating motion to really clean out those pores. I was pretty concerned about my like mental and emotional health this week and just post-surgery and everything, and honestly I haven't had any problems at all. I was really surprised like how good that I feel mentally and emotionally about everything. Feeling good, not any like negative feelings about anything at all. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I guess you can. This Ace wrap, I've been in this since I got out of surgery. Yeah, so I haven't taken this off yet, so I haven't actually like seen anything underneath or like what my chest looks like. I'm wrapped up from about, like, you can't see the bottom of it, it's about from here to here, to, like, the length of my hand, and it's, like, really tight. So one thing, if I have, like, one complaint to register, like, I know it's, like, all, like, Dr. Garramone is amazing, and his results are amazing, but, like, this Ace wrap is not messing around. Alright, so this bandage you actually get put on right when you get out of surgery, and you wear this for a full, like, 6 or 7 days afterwards. It's pretty damn tight, I'm sure you can tell. Kind of slumpy still from it, but it's not the worst. You kind of get used to it after the first couple of days or so. You can also notice here, kind of gross, but got these drains here, kind of like blood grenades. But yeah, I did notice I'm getting like less bloated. I'm still like a little puffy down in here than I normally usually am, but that's definitely getting better now that I'm like 4 days out. So yeah. The one thing though, I know like when I would bind with an Ace wrap, I did it like twice for doing drag. It's not pleasant, would not recommend it. It does get tighter throughout the day because it like tightens up, and this doesn't do that. Like it does that with drag, it does not do that with this because it's all like taped up so it stays. So yeah, it's not like getting tighter and like risking me like breaking my rib. It's not like constricting me to the point where I can't breathe. Like I can still breathe comfortably and like breathe in deeply and stuff. Just the like general unpleasantness of having something like a big band around you that's like squeezing you really hard. I'm super excited to see my chest in 2 more days. So that'll be cool. I'll like have an update after that. But yeah, overall doing really great, feeling really great. Just excited to take this thing off of me. So yeah, I will see you all later.